Mitsubishi FUSOs need the Canner engine, the 4M50 3-liter sequential turbo engine needs a crankcase breather kit. We call it our every 3 oil change kit. So that's around every 15,000 miles, you need this kit from us to replace this filter in the front of the engine. The kit includes a front seal, the big O-ring seal, and a clip which holds this filter on the front of the engine. This is important. Need to be running the correct spec oil, 530, diesel oil, and putting these in here every 15,000 to avoid crankcase breather codes. Thank you.